Greetings. This afternoon I'll show you how to use the basic Humbrol airbrush set, which is basically your basic airbrush and your airbrush propellant. This is the box it comes in, and this shows you how you mix and stir your things, and you adjust your airbrush, which is the screw at the tip of it, as in anti-clockwise to widen and clockwise to narrow it. Now we've set everything up on the table, and we'll go through to show you how it's done. So this is your airbrush, everything set. Right. And you basically airbrush. Oops. Once you're done with your airbrush, you clean it. To clean it is quite simple. You remove all the extra fluids. You just take some water. You add water in. You shake the water and you press, and then basically that cleans your airbrush. Thank you.